so we're gonna play a game. So I'm gonna throw something and you have to tell me what does it look like. Okay, let's start with I can't draw, guys. Tell me in the comments please, guys. So what does that look like? Okay. Okay. You saw that one. You're gonna see it in the video and like, subscribe and comment please, guys. And oh, what does this look like? Tell me in the comments please. And what does that look like? And that and guys, got the windows and